How to buy Bitcoin in Germany. Follow these simple steps to purchase Bitcoin instantly and securely. To begin, download Zengo from the App Store or Google Play and create an account on Zengo. A link to a tutorial video on how to create an account on Zengo is in the video description. Open the Zengo app, tap Buy, and search for Bitcoin. Enter your desired amount, choose your preferred payment method, and click Continue to Payment. Enter your billing address. Make sure it matches a country that's supported. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional documentation. Next, review the final price quote and tap Buy. That's it. Your purchase is on its way. Why is Zengo the best place to buy Bitcoin? Let's break it down. Zengo is your all-in-one crypto wallet, simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. With Zengo, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Buy, trade, send, or receive crypto with no limits and no hidden fees. Your assets are protected with next-generation keyless security using MPC, 3-factor authentication, and facial recognition. Lost your device? No worries. Zengo's effortless recovery ensures you'll always regain access to your wallet and funds. And if you ever need help, real support agents are available directly in the app 24/7. Now let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Here, we'll cover the most common questions from our community and give you clear answers. Is it legal to buy Bitcoin in Germany? Yes, it is legal to buy Bitcoin in Germany. You can buy, sell, trade, spend, receive, and store Bitcoin without legal restrictions. Is it safe to buy Bitcoin on Zengo? Yes, Zengo is a safe way to buy Bitcoin, using advanced security like facial recognition, MPC technology, 3FA, and a Web3 firewall to protect your assets. Can I buy Bitcoin on Zengo without verification? No. Purchasing Bitcoin on Zengo requires identity verification to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. Can I buy Bitcoin under 18? Zengo works with purchasing partners who are regulated and compliant and follow the AML and KYC rules. You must be at least 18 years old and provide a valid ID to verify your identity and age before you can buy Bitcoin, BTC, or any other crypto assets. Thanks for watching. Start your crypto journey with Zengo today. Download the app and subscribe to our channel for more guides and updates.